Hello everyone, welcome back to a new tutorial video on how to create Kik Messenger account. Before starting this video, please make sure to subscribe and do press the notification bell icon to get updated. So let's get this video started. First of all, you need to download and install Kik application from the Play Store. As I have already installed it, I will just tap in open the Kik application. As we are going to create a new account in Kik, we will tap and sign up. Here you need to provide some of the details like your first name, last name, username, email address and so on. I'm going with the first name, last name. Here you also can add a profile photo just by tapping on the circular round button that is set photo. Now go in for the username you want to. Now provide your email address. Now go in for providing a strong password. Now provide your date of birth. Tap and done. Now you provide your phone number. After you're all done providing your details, you need to tap on the checkbox and tap and sign up. With this, I have created a new Kik account for myself. Hope this video is fruitful for you all on how to create a new account in Kik Messenger. Thank you.